here.
Who knows how to swim here? Raise your hand. Ma'am, do you know how to swim? Ma'am, do you know how to swim?
Bye. That's my last time seeing you guys.
She's not going to Carbone today.
I'm not going back to LA. I'm not even gonna be alive.
This is our last time seeing Danny.
We're gonna find her sunnies. This is gonna be what's left.
I'm gonna tell him to pray with me. Hold his hand. Oh my god.
I'm waiting for her.
Give us a show.
Yeah, let's do it. Give us a show. Let's go.
I'm waiting for you.
Not a bad one. Oh my god. Bye. Aww.
Lila,
Let's look at it.
go off, girl. I'm scared that she's
Hold it.
Bye, ladies.
Dale, cuidado, que te mata.
He said, cuidado. We're never gonna see you again. Bye, Daddy.